As a lifelong resident of the Gulf Coast, I love the summertime, but I also view it with a little nervousness because it marks the beginning of the hurricane season. And the experts are predicting this year to be a top 10 year with at least 6 storms hitting the U.S. coastline. That means being prepared is more important than ever. Now, most of you already know about keeping water and non-perishable foods on hand, but I want to talk to you about making sure your home is prepared as well. Windows are especially vulnerable to wind-blown debris, so consider covering yours with shutters or plywood to protect them. The roof is also a concern, so it's a good idea to have several large tarps and a few roofing tacks on hand in case you have to do some emergency cover-up in the aftermath of the storm. Now, speaking of that, a loss of electrical power is almost inevitable in just about every tropical system, so it's important to have a backup plan for power, and an automatic standby generator is the best solution. Now, this model from Generac automatically turns on within seconds after the lights go out and restores power to your home even if you're not there. And they're not as expensive as you might think. Some models sell for under $2,000. Since the average U.S. utility customer experiences about 214 minutes of power outage a year, this thing makes a lot of sense even if you don't live in a hurricane territory. Automatic standby units are fueled with your home's existing natural gas or propane supply, so you don't have to worry about refueling them and the storage, spilling, and odor concerns of diesel or gasoline engines. In fact, the Red Cross recommends the permanently installed models for safety reasons. Since they are wired into your home's electrical system, there's no need to wrangle with any extension cords or power strips. If you do choose a portable generator for backup power, look for a quality brand with a good safety record. The Generac models are supported by the Home Safety Council. A generator engine gives off carbon monoxide just like your car, so it's important to operate them outside, away from your home, where the fumes can escape. For added protection, equip your home with a carbon monoxide detector. Generac offers the broadest range of both portable and home standby generators to fit the needs of any size home, and both are backed by the Good Housekeeping seal. Hey, I hope you have an uneventful hurricane season this year, but I also hope you'll be prepared if the wind does blow in your direction.